are pleased to show you the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, passenger airbag, power windows, MP3 player, daytime running lights, rear head airbag, auxiliary audio input, power outlet, pass-through rear seat. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.